Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Barina hatch, stock reference number 5277. The shape runs from the 11th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2018. It has an F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy light, left sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.